Walter Voit. I'm the director of the Cake Center, one of UT Dallas's applied AI centers of innovation. Our purpose is to engage with local companies, local entrepreneurs, and local innovators to connect them with brilliant students at the university, cutting edge ideas, and a neat new class of algorithms that can help transform how companies do business today. We've got a lot of neat approaches at UT Dallas in terms of our artificial intelligence. We have a center that's focused on core algorithmic development that's run by Gopal Gupta, and our center, which is focused on new and emergent business models based on new paradigms in AI. We're interested in few-shot learning techniques, in big data techniques, in techniques that use recurrent convolutional neural networks and other approaches to help companies rethink how they engage with their customers, how they engage with their suppliers, and how they engage with the world. The Cake Center is comprised of members from material science and engineering, mechanical engineering, chemistry, electrical engineering, and computer science and engineering. We've done work in the past with sponsors from DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, and have programs with some of the leading IT and technology companies in the world, including IBM, Amazon, and others. We look forward to working with you, with your company, with your ideas, and connecting them to some of the brilliant minds at UT Dallas to help create an innovative new future together. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kildebeck. I'm the program manager for the Cake Center, which is one of the new 5 AI centers at the Richardson Intelligence Corridor IQ Center with UT Dallas. The focus of our center is to provide a gateway and a bridge for companies seeking to use new and advanced AI algorithms to advance their business. For companies trying to do that, the world of AI, and in particular the cutting edge going on in various businesses and academia, can be very daunting and intimidating. And we have a lot of experts in many different algorithmic approaches at UT Dallas, ranging from big data to recurrent convolutional neural networks to few-shot learning approaches and many other approaches that could be used in the near term, medium term, and long term to advance a business model in many different industries. Our goal at the Cake Center is to form a bridge where entrepreneurs, innovators, and other members of the community can come to us with their ideas, their problems, and the types of solutions they're trying to build. And then we can either work with them directly, as we do with many companies right now, or connect them with the right experts at UT Dallas to advance their goals. We currently work with companies including Amazon and IBM and receive funding from the Defense Department, DARPA, and other agencies. And we would be delighted to learn about you and your problem and help build something great here in Richardson. Thanks.